morning, everybody. I'm here in Amber Cove. We're here in Amber Cove today, and we do have an excursion, and it's just an all-inclusive beach day. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. We're on our way to meet at the meeting spot, all the way at the end of the gangway. And so once we get there, we'll be headed to the beach. We are here in port with Norwegian Joy, if I didn't say that already. But you know, this never gets old. Like the scenery of Amber Cove. I love it. I love it. It almost looks fake, but it's real. Guys, if you don't want to walk, you can always take one of these little bike taxis to the end of the gangway or into the pier, and you just tip them. That's all. Yeah, Amber Cove is always beautiful. Alright, I found my zone, which was zone 1. So we are just waiting for the rest of the people to come, but this is the port here in Amber Cove, Dominican Republic. It's gonna be a hot day today, like 91 degrees, so definitely a beach day. Definitely a day to get into the water. Now, if you don't want to stay here in the port, if you want to stay here in the port, if you go head down that way is where the pool is, and they also have water slides, zip lining, and they have restaurants down there. So if you head straight back that way, you'll find all of that to do down there. If not, you just find your zone for your excursion, and they will take you to your excursion. Hi, hola. Okay guys, so we are here at the resort. It's an Iberostar. It's called, I forgot what it was called. I'll put the name up for ya. But it's a really nice resort here in Puerto Plata. Oh, and they have a nice bar over here. They have a pool and they have a beach area. Really pretty. They got drinks coming. I think they have to give us some bands. Chloe, are you ready? Chloe's ready. So once we get our bands, I think then we can go. Like they got free drinks here. We're about to get the drinks here for you. They are here to take, honey. This is cool. This is so nice. So I don't know if we're here to watch a show or what, but this is not ice.
So cute.
Thank you.
How old is she?
18 months. A year and a half. Say hi. Hey, hi. Yeah. Thank you. All right, after a briefing that they gave us, and after we drank our little drinks, we are now headed towards the, I guess, beach area, pool area. They did say lunch. Well, first of all, this is all inclusive, so lunch is included, drinks are included, everything. They said lunch will be served at around 1 p.m. 1 p.m. for lunch. And so yeah, I'm going to show you guys the view. So this is how we're walking into, excuse me, how we're walking into the resort. Those look like the rooms. I don't know if the water is supposed to look like that, if that's how it's supposed to be. Not sure. But interesting. They have something that's kind of hanging down here. I don't know. Oh, maybe it was just light. So maybe at nighttime it lights up. Coming up on the pool. Oh, this is a pretty big pool. A pretty big sized pool. Yeah, it's a nice sized pool. Like they have a volleyball net over there. They have a lot of areas for, oh, right here. Have a lot of chairs. Or do we keep going and follow them?
You can.
Huh?
You keep following.
Yeah, she swims. Hey guys. So, I am eating. The food is open. But yeah, the food is good. I'll show you actually the food because I'm going to get something else. I'm trying to find the bathroom because I have to use the bathroom real fast. And the whole resort is really nice. It's a lot of great scenery out here, like tons of scenery. I would definitely recommend, 10 out of 10 recommend, come on down to Iberostar. I gotta get the actual name of the resort, but yeah, it's pretty cool. They have, let me show you. So this is where the beach, coming out this way, the beach. We haven't gone out to here yet. But looks like they have a lot of little stuff going on. They have bars everywhere. Like I said, all the drinks are included. But yeah, it's nice. There's a bar right there. There's a bar right here. You see that? Okay, so now I'm on a mission to find the bathroom. Literally. I don't know where it's at. Maybe it's this way. No, that looks like camp for the kids or something. Star camp. Oh, looks like you can keep your kids over here. Oh, that's cool. Star camp. They can watch your kids. That's nice. Alright, so I'm gonna go and find the bathroom real fast and then I'll get back with y'all. Alright, so here is going to the little pavilion where you can eat. So lunch is definitely served. I've already eaten some stuff. I might just try one more thing, like some nachos. I love Mexican food, so I'm gonna try that. But let me just show you what they have. They have like bananas, pineapples. They have like all the little desserts. Cookies. Then when you come over this way, they got a little salad bar. Food over here. Now this is what I want. I want some nachos over here. And they have some rice, beans, some good food, and they got pasta over there. So, yeah. So yeah, and this is the pavilion. Come over here and get drinks. They got a bar in here. Get drinks over here. Cove, Coke Zero. Let's see. Let's see. I have to get some ice, but I'm gonna get something to drink. Here is the beach here on the resort. Chloe, it's okay. And Chloe gonna get in the water. She's still sleepy, so she's crying. Say hi, Chloe. You're enjoying the beach? It's really beautiful out here, guys. Like I said, we are probably like 30 minutes from the actual port, Amber Cove. Like 30 minutes. We took the bus over here, and the resort is really nice. It's Iberostar, and yeah, it's really nice. Out here on the beach, good times, good times. Chloe is getting used to the water. She likes it a little better, but it's very good times here. We're enjoying it. Definitely, if you are going to Dominican Republic, Amber Cove, and you're tired of staying at the port, try the resort here. I think it was like $99, and I chose this one because over the other all-inclusive beach, because this one had a pool. So for her, it's good for a pool and the beach, so we can get both. So yeah, so it was cool. The water is great out here. Chloe likes it a little bit. Okay, but yeah. One thing you guys don't know about me is I'm scared of fish. I may have said that before, but I am scared of fish in the water. It's true, but I am. I'm scared of fish. But I'm still having a wonderful time. I definitely recommend this resort, guys. I do. It's really good. It's not overly crowded, so the pool is not overran. The beach, you have plenty of space for the beach. Food is good. Drinks are free, so hey. I mean, I love it because, you know, it's not overly crowded. If I would have stayed at Amber Cove, it would have been crowded in the pool, hard to get drinks, restaurant crazy. No, So yeah, this is a definitely great alternative. Yeah, it's like 30 minutes out, but it's worth it. Yeah, it's like $99, like $100 per person. It's worth it. Worth it. All included, everything, food, drinks. Really good. So I'm enjoying my time here, guys. I'm about to take in a few more drinks, eat a little bit more food. Then eventually we're gonna head back in about an hour and a half back to the ship. So I enjoyed my time here in Puerto Plata, Amber Cove, aka Puerto Plata, because we out here in Puerto Plata. We out here in the thick of it. Okay. Thick of it. But yeah, nice resort. I definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. Hey guys, so I'm in the pool having a blast here. Last 5 minutes because we have to go soon. So it's been a blast here at the resort. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna be heading back soon. I'm gonna be getting out like in 2 minutes. But I just wanted to say I had a great time. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new here, welcome. Welcome to my channel, Travel with Toy. And I hope you stay around because you just might love me. Alright guys, I'll see you guys back on the ship. Alright guys, this will be the end of the vlog, but make sure you come back. Tomorrow we are in Grand Turks and it's gonna be a great day. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.